Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. And today we're going to be talking about Carnival. Before we start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today I'm going to be talking about Carnival. And the reason I am actually making a video about Carnival today is, if you guys don't know, Carnival actually started resuming cruises. And this is actually huge for the stock itself, causing the stock to rally about 6% today. But you guys have to understand that, you know, we've been in this pandemic situation for quite some time now, and I think a lot more people are starting to get adapted to it. You know, a lot of people are taking more safety precautions, and businesses are starting to run again. I've said this in previous videos, guys, but I think it is a good time to pick up Carnival. Guys, this is a huge cruise line company. It is not going to go anywhere. Analyzing the 5-year chart here, I mean, look at this stock is consistently growing. I mean, it was a $64, $65 stock around March 9, 2018. Sunk a little bit, but even before the pandemic, it was still a $50 stock, guys. And right now it's trading at $18.72. In my personal opinion, it is still a good buy, and it's still a steal of a price. Obviously, everything I say in my video, guys, is just my personal opinion. It is not financial advice. But guys, even this stock and Norwegian Cruise Lines, both huge cruise line companies that were trading about $50 to $60 before the whole pandemic hit. I've said this before, cruises are not going to go anywhere. People love cruises. People love going on vacation. Just taking a look at the broader aspect of things, a lot of people did not get to go on cruises this summer. They had booked, which means it's automatically going to lead to more demand next year, guys, if cruises are open. And it's the same with airlines. Like, all of the travel industry in general has taken a pretty big hit, but we're starting to see some sort of recovery. I actually do recommend people holding some sort of travel stock in their portfolio, because although they're not doing well now, they're going to start picking up again. Even with airlines, guys, you know, they're starting to see a lot more traffic. So Carnival is starting, you know, cruises again. I mean, I honestly think it's a great thing. It's a good thing. It's moving in the right direction. Not to mention, too, guys, this stock has a huge backing by Saudi Arabia. So it's got some big time investors in this stock itself. $18.72. I actually picked up my shares at $14. And the reason I picked up Carnival is because, although I know that the stock may take some more time to actually recover to its all-time highs, I know that the stock is going to continually grow, and it's going to continually start to recover because, like I said, guys, it's not going to go anywhere. The stock is not going to go anywhere. Carnival as a company will most likely not go anywhere. So take this time, guys, and if you have some extra flow, pick up some shares of Carnival. I mean, this stock, like I said, it's a huge cruise line company, and it's most likely here to stick around. But if you guys are skeptical, I can understand. There's a lot of bears on it. You know, a lot of people don't see travel actually picking back up till late 2022, 2023, which is an understandable point, guys. But you have to understand as well, the minute we find a vaccine, a lot more people are going to be a lot more eager to travel, because a lot of people did not get to travel over the summertime. Come Christmas time, a lot of people do travel, although specifically not cruises. I'm seeing more of a gradual recovery for Carnival and a bunch of, you know, airline stocks and cruise line stocks, stuff like that, more towards the end of the year. But it's still a good time to pick up these stocks. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what do you think of Carnival? Are you guys bullish? Are you bearish? And if you are bullish, how many shares do you guys own? Thank you, guys. Have a great day.